10-inch maybe. Chocks away.
It's still quick. Whoops, I'll back off that one.
We on that one there? Just chock under grease. Okay. I'll not bother that backwards then. More. This is the span of the roof. The more further it is this way, the longer the timbers are going to need. Unless we can get it to go in the other way around, and then the nose will be stuck out the back. Can make like a little boxing on the back for the tow bar to go in.
Yeah, and then you wouldn't see that.
Let's take the chocks away then, let's see if we can get it in the other way around. How they get all them little stills up. Yeah. Just have little strong feet. It just surprised me that it managed to dig through this soil. Some more in a minute, Grace. So what's your plan? You're planting them? Are you just putting them in the pot? You're planting them?
In the pot, just in that corner.
Other way around, I guess, yeah. Comme ça. Right, back to work then. Dirty. So the idea is I'm trying to use a lot of the leftover timber I've got from when I demolished the terrace a couple of years ago, pick the prime bits out and just trying to make a lean-to roof over the trailer to keep it dry, but also to tip the water into the compost bins, because we're always short of water in the summer months. So any moisture that goes into the compost bins is a bonus. Eventually I'll make some proper compost bins. These are just constructed from pallets from the building material we had delivered over the last couple of years. Have you found? Have you found? Will I get him? There we go. We've got him. Technically it needs to be the other way around, but probably better than the wooden one I put on. Right, Gracie, you see if you can find another one now. Look at that dancing, Gracie. Be totally level as long as it's stable. The water will run off if they're not quite level, which is not a bad thing. These were the old supports for when we bought the house. The barn was much bigger than it is now, and these were the old supports for it. I've got a pile of them dotted around the garden. Gracie, not quite sure if I like it, Dad. I've just remembered I've got a piece of timber left there from the carport build that might be long enough for what I need. I just need to rescue it.